I got a ride in the photo, draped in designer, no polo. I was in the rave at the White Out, bought all the cars off Coco. I got a drink.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leahsimone, and today I'm going to show you a few workouts that have helped me in gaining muscle in all the right places, okay? So if you want to know exactly what exercises will help you gain muscle and get that booty poking, no equipment required, just get your butt up and let's get it in. First, I'm starting off with squats and double pulses. You don't have to use a resistance band with any of these workouts, but I would encourage one because they will really help challenge the muscles. This exercise is going to target the thighs, the entire glute muscle, and give you wider hips. Make sure you really squeeze at the top to engage that glute muscle. You really want to feel the burn. Next, I'm doing jump lunges. I am alternating legs and still making sure my knee does not pass my toe while I'm lunging. This is going to help tone those thighs and that whole gluteus muscle. Ooh, I see my quads popping. Now I'm going into kickbacks. I really like using my resistance band on this one because it gives me more of a challenge. But as you can see, I'm nice and relaxed and kicking my leg straight up. You want to pause for at least a second with your leg up. I kind of sped through my first leg, but I began to do my pause the remainder of the workout. This is targeting the gluteus maximus and medius. Okay, so now I'm doing fire hydrants. You want to be nice and relaxed and really engage those glutes. You're really going to feel it in your entire glute, and the leg that's resting, that gluteus minimus, which is the muscle to help widen those hips, is going to be on fire. You want to do enough reps to make it challenging. 15 is enough for me because I have my band, but if I didn't, I would be doing 20 reps. Once you're done with one leg, go to the other. We have clam shells next. This is really helpful with the gluteus minimus, which will give you that curvy shape and help get rid of those hip dips. Make sure your feet are together and you keep that one leg on the ground. Then switch legs. Last glute workout, you can use a chair or ottoman, but you want to lay down and grab onto the chair, making sure your legs are hanging off and lift up. Keeping your legs spread apart to really engage those hips. Don't let your legs touch the ground and keep going, squeezing at the top. I finished with calf raises, 20 each direction with toes straight, pointed out, and then in. Finished with an ab burnout, which I did, but now it's lost footage. Thank you so much for watching. I always finish my workouts with a protein shake, so I'm about to go make that right now. But if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.